modest wear, people will think about dull, boring, not stylish, it's just less revealing clothes. And when more fashion advocates, more huge giants, fashion giants such as Nike, Mango, Uniqlo took this fashion modest into their game, it changed everything.
It's not just about loose-fitted clothes. It's not just about long sleeves or long maxi dresses, but it's also about functionality. So for example, when you have sleeves that's like, slightly tapered and, obviously it looks great in pictures, it looks great when you wear it, but it's not practical for a modest Muslim woman going to do her prayers, for example. So that's why we usually add zippers here. So, when they need to take ablution, they can lift their sleeves up.
As a result of COVID, we had to change our design direction, make it a bit more toned down and more comfortable. We even have a jersey type of fabric which is stretchable, you don't have to iron it. It's very comfortable for them to wear at home because that's where they're going to be most of the time. We want to provide affordable, trendy, modest, practical and comfortable outfit all in one design.